A healthy and balanced diet is known to help keep your body and mind in good shape. Along with food, beverages can also provide you with the necessary nutrients to strengthen your brain function. Here are 10 brain-boosting drinks you should add to your diet. 1. Coffee. Coffee is one of the most commonly consumed beverages worldwide, and it is a great source of caffeine, which can improve concentration and cognitive performance. 2. Green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Drinking green tea regularly can also enhance memory and cognitive function. 3. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which help protect your brain from oxidative damage. Drinking blueberry juice can boost your brain health and overall cognitive function. 4. Water. Dehydration can impair brain function, so it is critical to drink enough water throughout the day. Adequate hydration can improve focus, concentration, and memory. 5. Cocoa. Cocoa contains flavonoids, which are naturally occurring compounds that promote brain health by improving blood flow to the brain. Drinking cocoa can enhance cognitive performance and improve mood. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which can increase blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. Drinking beetroot juice regularly is thought to improve memory, cognitive function, and overall brain health. 7. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice contains powerful antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Drinking pomegranate juice can enhance memory and overall cognitive function. 8. Coconut water. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, which are essential for optimal brain function. Drinking coconut water can enhance cognitive performance, improve mood, and reduce stress. 9. Milk. Milk is a great source of protein, calcium, and vitamin D, which are necessary for brain health. Drinking milk regularly can improve cognitive function and protect against cognitive decline. 10. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is rich in probiotics, which are good bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is essential for brain health, so drinking kombucha regularly can enhance cognitive function and reduce stress. Incorporating these 10 brain-boosting drinks into your diet can help promote optimal cognitive function, enhance memory, and protect against cognitive decline.